planning pala in scarcity and planning out of abundance. May difference eh. Kasi ako na-realize ko yung planning in scarcity is planning based on my own capability lang. Paano ka magpaplano ang daming uncertainty, di ba? Ang dami natin dinaanan.
Saka walang regular source of income.
Wala tayong regular source of income.
It was easy to budget when we were both employed.
Yeah.
Kasi may 15th and 30th. So yung expenses was fixed and then you know what's coming. So madali mag-budget. Pero yung budgeting, out of something kasi na hindi mo alam yung kung kailan dadating. Kasi when you went on your own, very irregular na. Minsan 6 months, minsan 8 months, diba?
Yeah.
But then the expenses were fixed.
Were fixed, oo. So, knowing yung uncertainty, knowing na baka hindi dumating, I was always planning based on scarcity. No, para bang masyadong defensive and everything will rest on myself, on my own ability, my efforts, etc. No? So, takot na takot ako kasi may uncertainty eh. Kasi hindi naman regular yung income. No? Pero may na-realize ako that nandun ang God, no? And He would like us to plan knowing that He's a God of abundance. Ang importante lang sa Kanya is we set our priorities right.
Oo. Tsaka you plan it out,
Plan it
diba?
out. Oo.
You put the basics, but at the same time, you can put also your wants for your
Yes.
children. Di kami nakakabakasyon dati, pero sabi niya,
pa tayo eh.
tapos sabi niya, o sige, lalagay ko dito. Every Christmas, meron tayong bakasyon.
Bakasyon.
I cannot promise that I can give it, pero I place it here.
Holy Week, meron tayo, no? So, doon ko na-realize yung katotohanan na many are the plans in the man's heart, but it's the Lord's purpose that prevails. Ang ibig sabihin ng purpose ni Lord is He wants us to set our priorities right, and He will be there to help us achieve those plans, no? In fact, nilagay nga natin sa plano pati yung travel, etc. And nandun ang God to fulfill His role, no? Na grasya, favor, no? Na mangyari yung plano. So, if you plan based on your ability lang, wala ang God, you will be planning based on scarcity. Pero if you plan with God in mind, that He is your partner, you can plan out of abundance. And in fact, ang gusto lang ng God is iset mo yung priorities right and be disciplined in your expenses. It doesn't mean na tight, kundi maluwag nga eh. Di ba?
Para bago niya ibigay, alam niya muna kung saan mo ilalagay. Di ba? Parang anak mo, di ba pag may hinihingi sa'yo, saan ba? Saan mo gagamitin? So at least meron ka ng plan.
Yeah, so have a
Concrete plan.
Right priority, complete plan. Yun yung nire-require din niya sa atin. But at the same time, His role is to give us the grace to fulfill that plan. And kung nandun ang God, it's not gonna be like a plan out of scarcity, kundi a plan based on abundance.
Because He is abundant.
He is abundant. We have a Father who is abundant.
After all, He was the one who made you the provider.
Yes.
So, it's His responsibility, di ba?
Many are the plans in a man's heart, but it's the Lord's purpose that prevails.